100 because my brother keeps on messing it up. Okay, so hi guys, today I'm going to be showing my vending machine. My vending machines, my brother actually broke one, so while I'm showing one, I might actually be fixing one. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So I'll just show the broken one first. So pretty simple. The shelf fell though. Like this tape does not work out very good. I'll just try. Yeah, but you get it. So you would put the snack on the shelf, broken one, and then you would put the coin in, and then you tilt it back, and the snack will come out. But since the shelf is broken, you can't really see it. Okay, this one's my favorite. I spent most time on it. It just fell. I'm gonna have to reload it. I swear, if my brother messes this up one more time, I'm not posting anything. I'm just gonna put YouTube or something. I don't know, because he always messes them up. Okay, so you put the coin in, and then you push it, you turn it, and then you grab the prize. So I'll show you the inside of this. I'm really glad that it worked out. Sorry, I have a really bad cold. I'm gonna turn my humidifier on. Okay, so this is the first time that this actually, like, the whole thing worked. Okay, so sorry about like all the design and stuff if it kind of makes you dizzy, but right here is the push me, where like you push it and then the prize drops into this cut water bottle. I don't know if you can see that. And then you turn the water bottle and it drops. And then for the hole, you can see my thumb kinda right there. The coin drops and it goes in this little container. I don't know if I can show you it or not, but I'll try. It's all the way back here. And then the coin goes in there. And then when I'm done for the day, I just collect all of it up. But it can only hold so many prizes. So I think right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make the slot bigger. But yeah, I'm not going to show you that because like I don't want to do any more editing. I put so much hard work, I guess, and even less people watch it if I edit it usually, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's just my humidifier. Okay, so hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.